animals starting with the letter B.
B is for baboon.
B is for baboon.
B is for badger.
B is for badger.
B is for bald eagle.
B is for bald eagle.
B is for banded kingfisher.
B is for banded kingfisher.
B is for barracuda.
B is for barracuda.
B is for basking shark.
B is for basking shark.
B is for bat.
B is for bat.
B is for beaver.
B is for beaver.
B is for bee.
B is for bee.
B is for beetle.
B is for beetle.
B is for beluga whale.
B is for beluga whale.
B is for betta fish.
B is for betta fish.
B is for bison.
B is for bison.
B is for black bear.
B is for black bear.
B is for black lionfish.
B is for black lionfish.
B is for black widow.
B is for black widow.
B is for blue-footed booby.
B is for blue-footed booby.
B is for blue jay.
B is for blue jay.
B is for blue whale.
B is for blue whale.
B is for boar.
B is for boar.
B is for bobcat.
B is for bobcat.
B is for brood-egg cicada.
B is for brood-egg cicada.
B is for brown bear.
B is for brown bear.
B is for Brutus whale.
B is for Brutus whale.
B is for buffalo.
B is for buffalo.
B is for bull shark.
B is for bull shark.
B is for butterfly.
B is for butterfly. Subscribe to Busybody Babies now for even more fun videos.